are the same across the globe, there are some unique customs and traditions which vary from country to country. Ruhani, would you like to tell everyone how Eid is celebrated in different countries across the world?
Sure, Inaya, I'd love to. Eid in UAE. It marks the end of Ramadan and the celebrations begin several days before the festival. Charity is an essential part. Charity is an essential part of the celebration in the UAE, and Muslims are encouraged to give to the less fortunate during Ramadan and Eid. Eid ul-Fitr in Indonesia. In Indonesia, Eid is called Hari Raya Eid ul-Fitr. The celebration begins with the takbir, a call to the prayer, and the Eid prayer is usually held in large open spaces. In Indonesia, people have also known that the tradition of mudik, which means returning to one's hometown for the holidays, and that's all, Inaya.
Wow, Ruhani, that was great. Now, Prithvi, would you also like to tell everyone about this?
Yes, I would. Shall I share how Eid is celebrated in Turkey?
Of course.
In Turkey, Eid is called Seker Bayram, which means sugar feast. The name reflects on the traditional foods that are an integral part of the celebration. The Turkish people also prepare traditional dishes such as baklava and halwa. Now, I will share how Eid is celebrated in New Zealand. In New Zealand, people begin the day with morning prayers and in mosques or outdoor locations, followed by community gatherings, which include performances, food stalls, and activities for children.
Wow, Prithvi, that was great to know about. Now, I will also share how Eid is celebrated in Pakistan. In Pakistan, Eid is called Eid ul-Fitr. The celebration starts with the sighting of the new moon. On the day of Eid, people wear new clothes and offer Eid prayers in mosques or open spaces. After the prayer, people visit their relatives and friends and exchange gifts. Pakistani Muslims also prepare traditional dishes such as biryani, kheer and sheer kurma to mark the celebration. Whether it's preparing traditional dishes, buying new clothes, or visiting relatives, Eid is a time of joy, forgiveness, and celebration. Muslims all over the world gather to celebrate Eid. The message of peace, love, and harmony echoes loud and clear.
30 days of fasting comes to an end together with the family and friends. As sacred month of Ramadan completes, Eid ul-Fitr makes our environment so sweet. Ramadan completion celebrated worldwide, a glimpse of the moon and moonlight coincide. A prayer for peace, harmony and prosperity, the hearty wish fulfilled by His Majesty.
Spreading message of brotherhood and unity, we create a world full of peace and tranquility. Namaz has been prayed, duas have been said, the essence of each celebration is being spread. Let the crescent moon glow on us all a little brighter, giving Eid to the little ones and hugging them a little tighter, giving Fifrana and charity to the needy, distributing sweets and goodies freely. Wonderful feelings fill the world with peace and happiness. Hope these festivities bring you joy, prosperity and success. Eid Mubarak.